Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love bite now. Pisces, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, okay? Take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Pisces and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Pisces, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And Pisces, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Pisces, Eight of Swords, stressed out, feeling a bit abandoned, left out, wanting a brand new beginning. But somebody's got their eye on you, Pisces. Somebody wants to talk here, maybe work things out. All right. So Pisces, bottom of my deck, I have the overall energy as Seven of Cups in reverse, which means end of confusion, making some kind of a choice, making some kind of a decision. There is somebody here who wants to have a talk. There's a King of Swords with their big sword. This is like, let's talk. Let's just talk, okay? Somebody's been watching you for a very long time, or this could be you watching your partner, I don't know. Okay, so somebody feels they made some very foolish choices, but I don't think. Anyway, before I say anything much here, Pisces, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify this story here. So Pisces and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Okay. Let's take a few more from here, Pisces. Pisces and their person. Oops, that's too many. Let's take one more. Pisces and their person. Thank you, Spirit. And take a couple more from here. Pisces and their person. All right. Good to go, Pisces. Let's start your reading. I want us to be able to talk through things properly. See, I told you somebody wants to talk here. I want us to be able to talk through things properly. The only problem is that in your presence, all I seem to have is wild, dirty thoughts about what I want to do with you. Right? So as much as they do want to talk, they can't control themselves if they come face to face. So they're watching from the sideline. When you ran, I felt like I lost my light and I plunged into darkness. My heart and even my spirit shattered into pieces. I'm trying to heal, surrender, and trust in the divine plan, but I fear I'll never be the same again. This relationship seems more like a situationship right now. I feel like you're taking my love for granted. My mind is racing and my heart is breaking with all the doubts and insecurities your inconsistent behavior has created. I crave inner peace right now. My soul just feels unsettled. I don't expect you to be perfect. I love your perfect imperfections because they make my life as perfect as one can imagine. I only want two things in my life. Everything that makes you happy and nothing that makes you suffer. I love you, always and forever. Always on my mind and in my heart. Yes, that's you, always and forever. I'm healing my heart from past hurt. Give me some time. Let's talk and clear the air. Same card. I started with that lie, right? I want us to talk through things properly. And here it is again. Let's talk and clear the air. And this is this King of Swords, I think, who wants to talk and clear the air now. Let's start with an angel blessing card, Pisces. Let's see how my angels are going to bless this reading, and then we'll start the clarification process. My angels, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Pisces. You get the card of mother. Pisces, some of you could be very connected with your mothers, or maybe some mother is playing an important part in this connection, but this card actually means that I don't know what's happened in this connection. Somebody really needs to nurture and look after themselves now. Just as a mother would to a child, it's time for you to take care of you, right? So maybe there's been a bit of, I do see somebody feeling that they've been played or going through a bit of depression, sadness, maybe being unwell at the moment, and because there's been a fight or an argument or something. So it's very important right now to do a lot of self-care. Treat yourself as your own baby for some time. Okay, so now let's see what's happening. So who's this person, spirit, who's so stressed out? 8 of Swords, overthinking, stressed out. Oh, somebody feels they lost their 10 of Cups. Somebody feels they lost their chance at their 10 of Cups. And now they are worried and thinking and stressed out because maybe they didn't make a decision on time. They never chose. And they feel they've lost a beautiful soulmate connection. And now they feel that their person has kind of dumped them or released them, doesn't want them anymore. And now they do want to come and apologize, but they don't know how. They feel their apology will not be accepted. Now I think this person has suddenly discovered that they have a lot of love in their heart to give, but because maybe they never made a decision on time, or this person was behaving like the King of Wands in the past. Maybe they liked all the attention they were getting, but they never expressed themselves. They kept their true emotions hidden. They were busy focusing on their own self, their own life, their own, whatever they were doing, and they kind of left their partner out in the cold a lot. Yes, the minute I said that, I get the Queen of Cups in reverse. They kept taking. This King of Cups, he likes attention. So it's like gimme, 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 and the Queen of Cups is giving, giving, giving. So finally it probably came to the point where this Queen of Cups was always feeling abandoned, always feeling neglected, always feeling that they were the givers and never getting back in return. And now maybe they've been depleted and no longer interested. Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles. Yes, I think the Queen of Cups has realized that this is a very toxic connection. This is like an addiction. And it's made them very angry that that person has only created illusions around them. Maybe just behaved like, somebody who takes them for granted. Like this card said, I feel you take my love for granted. And they feel this is a very, very toxic person, and maybe they also suspect that there is somebody else involved. Maybe there's a third party involved. Queen of Wands in reverse is sometimes the other woman. So yes, I think this Queen of Cups is deciding this person is very ungrounded and I don't want to fight for this connection anymore. Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles. Now I think this masculine, this King of Wands, I think now has realized that they have a lot of love in their heart for this person. They want to come back and heal this broken heart. They want to start afresh. They want to start anew. They want to start from scratch from the Ace of Pentacles and take it right down to the 10 of Pentacles, which is their happily ever after. They don't wish to end this chapter at all. They want, in fact, another go around if possible. And go around, what I mean is not short-lived, straight like let's just kind of do the, long haul. So, yeah, somebody wants to, but I don't think they've come forward yet. They want to talk, but till now they've been like watching. They've been keeping a close eye because right now they feel that this Queen of Cups doesn't love them anymore. The love is lost from this connection, and if they do come offering any kind of a love offer, that person is not going to believe them. They are going to be rejected. So what they are doing is watching from the sidelines. So King of Swords, Spirit. King of Swords. King of Swords. Yes, this King of Swords knows that they have not behaved in an authentic manner. This King of Swords is clarified by the King of Swords in reverse, right? So this person is first and foremost recognizing their own faults. They are understanding that yes, I was very bad in my communication. I was probably rude and mean and harsh sometimes. They probably lied to their feminine as well, or they hid things from them. They are recognizing that they have created a tower to fall between the two of you, and they are understanding why this Queen of Cups has now turned their back on them. They do want to work things out though. Three of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles, Spirit. Oops. Just give me a second, please. I'm so sorry. I'll just put the ringer off. Yeah. Where was I? Okay, Three of Pentacles. They do want to work things out, but right now I don't think there's any communication, but they have their eyes set on this Empress. They know who their Empress is. They want to work things out. They want to talk about how we can but they're afraid to talk, Pisces, right now, because I don't think you guys are really talking to each other. As much as they want to work things out, they are seeing their Empress glowing, looking good, and they can't get their eyes off this Empress. The communication is zero almost at the moment. So they're feeling very rejected. They're feeling what's the point? And forget the Empress, no other offer is also making them happy at the moment. They are very depressed and sad and feeling, oh my God, what a foolish mistake I've made. I behaved like a fool. Right? This is put this person into a kind of depression. Knight of Swords, I have it twice now. Why is that, Spirit? Knight of Swords. Knight of Swords. This person is thinking now. This person is thinking of what they did. Heart of hearts, what they want is a long-term partnership, long-term commitment, and they came across looking like a player who was only in it for the maybe fun of it, or they were in their very immature behavior, and they're kind of realizing what they've done. They're realizing this is what I should have done, and what did I do? I've lost, I have come across as a very rash and immature person, and the more they're thinking about their faults, the more they are in regret, the more they are feeling sad, the more guilt is eating them up. They do want to message. They do want to kind of start with a small message or start again. But right now, this person could be right now in a lot of depression, sadness. What's this Knight of Swords again, Spirit? Knight of Swords. My God. They feel if I go towards my person, it's going to end up in a fight. This person is very, very stressed out. They can't sleep at night. They're thinking about the worst case scenario. If I do tell them I want to work things out with them, my person is going to have their barrier up and they're going to push me away just as I did, and it's going to come to a complete halt. Right? And it's going to lead to a fight. So as much as they want to come forward, they want to kind of message, they are very, very afraid because of their own guilt. I think they're doing all the questions, all the answers between two people in their own head, because they are recognizing what they've done. They know all their faults now. So what's this Seven of Cups as an overall energy, Spirit, in reverse? This person is kind of whoever this person is feeling very low of themselves at the moment. They don't know how to go back to this feminine in the same way they did earlier, feeling very confident and whatever. This person is kind of feeling a bit of a coward right now. They don't have the strength. Either they are physically unwell, like I said, Pisces, or maybe they just don't have the energy or the strength or the willpower. Heart of hearts, they have made their choice. Heart of hearts, they know that no other cup is going to be good enough for them. They do want to come and reveal what's in their heart. And what they have in their heart is, hey, you're my 10 of cups. You're the one I want. I want things to move, in a good direction once again. I want to heal this connection now. Can we start again from scratch? They've made that choice. They're no longer in limbo. They're no longer at crossroads, at least not in their mind. They know they want this. They want a stable, brand new, fresh beginning, which I had earlier as well. Okay? It's just that this person is going through a lot of guilt at the moment. A lot of regret and sorrow for maybe their own behavior. So that's all I have for you. You don't have to play mother to them, that's for sure, Pisces. But yes, you can show them a bit of compassion. If they do get the courage to come back, that's all I can say. So till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.